video. Random map. Pick a random. Oh, stay.
Like and subscribe.
Please like
Please.
subscribe. And when we hit 5,000, we'll show Malik or Jaden or Jamila's face. One of them. Just pick in the comments which one.
No, pick the shine.
They already saw
Max.
the face.
Okay, let's go find these people.
I'm
Who's on my team?
now. Yay. Goodbye.
I'm on the Shine's team.
Jaden.
Bro, I'm on the Shine's team. I don't know where you guys are. I'm just walking so nicely.
I'm fighting Jaden. Malik. Come to me. Come to me, Gil.
I'm coming.
They're shooting me.
Hey.
Kijk wat
Hey.
Jamila. Jamila is going to go sleep. It's past your bedtime.
Now they I kill you, my bro.
No, someone.
Next
No.
to you. Next to you. Look next to you.
Like,
Next to you.
Bro, what the?
Why? That's actually a good hiding spot, though. Ayyo.
I'm saying, bro, I'm like saying. I can tell you.
On the roof. There it is. On the roof. On the roof.
Where?
There. He's sniping. Run. Run. Shoot.
Okay, I'm running as fast as I can, bro. I'm running as fast as I can.
He's sniping.
I'm hiding.
I don't know what you go around, Lily. Go around.
Use energy crystals.
I did use
Go
a
around
magic
now.
on me.
Use yeah. Oh, you lost. You lost.
How? I did not die.
I know, but you.
I did not die. So it's also help with the end. So whoever has the more health wins. Bro, like I did use a bandage on me. Actually. How did you have? I had like a little, just like a little. I had 72. Ooh, who's this, my bro? Lekker Johnny, they both on me. Now I died.
Bye. Oh no,
Yo,
Tashan,
bro, what the hell? What's the night? Like, come on, Tashan.
There was no.
Bye.
They got people. Against one to Sean.
Yo. Okay. And of course a medkit. Now, Tushan, I have the bestest weapon. Okay, it's not the bestest in the game.
Yeah, look here. Wait.
What?
Look here.
Whoa. I
No.
can see, bro.
Yeah, goodbye.
Whoa, why did I just say that out loud? Because now they're both on the roof. Use damage, bro. Bro.
I see my scene.
Oh,
Yo, Sean.
lagging. I was lagging there.
Oh my gosh, it's fine, it's fine.
It's fine, it's fine.
This one, and this one. Okay, guys, I just got the same thing that I always had. Wanted. Guys, oh, I see somebody on the roof. I see somebody. Oh my God, man. Why? Why is this? Oh, hi, Tushan. Where's Tushan? He's literally right here. He's using his good gun on who? Come on, sister. You, Tushan. No way. Okay, Tushan is about to come on the roof, ne? Tushan.
Yes, man.
You okay? Yes. So Malik died, brother. Oh, he died. Woo! Woo! Yes, Tushan. Yes. Die, Jaden. Die for the sake of your soul, brother. Throw it. Yes. No. Yes. Tushan. Come on, I believe in you. Come on, Tushan.
We won.
Shine, let's go hard mode now.
Premier League.
What? Put off a call, Dave. Come here. You go on a private call.
Yeah, then them two, they can talk to each other.
Yeah. Now you guys can hear me and Tashan say, but if we switch teams and then we need to switch a private call again. Yeah. So yeah. Try to put off there on the phone.
And I died because I went off the map.
No, man, just
Put
stop
off,
on
put off.
this phone.
Just talk together.
No, you.
Nah, my bro. Yeah, but if we switch teammates and I can't join his team, then he must phone me. Just tell him that.
Guys, so you see, this is what we're doing here.
Yup. Come on! The sun is at you. Oh, hi.
Did you see that?
Yes, I saw that.
You know how good I am in a rival.
I died, bro.
Goodbye.
Tashan, I'm coming now.
Frick!
I'm coming now. I'm coming now.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
What is a rematch?
I'm back, Tashan.
Okay, guys.
I'm coming. I just switched on the light. Yo, I'm
Where are you?
Jaden them said they staying on a team, my bro.
But okay, fine. Like, timer. Put this back rooms. Here's the one.
Back rooms, okay. Back rooms. Back rooms.
Yes, man.
Let's go.
Come. Pick slime soda and anything else.
Random. Here's my key. Okay, I'm ready. Like, bro, this is gonna be a bit creep, you know.
Look how fast I go.
Shan. Ah! Yes, Malik died.
Now do you know why? Like, Jamila, they were thinking they can be cool when they pay to win guns.
Yup. Yeah. Yo, and small bats and a mat. I'm in Auntie Mandy's room.
Only.
Uh-uh. I'm playing. Yes, we won, Tashan.
Yeah,
We won.
now do you
We
know what?
won.
Jamila,
We won.
Jamila, this is your first. This is one of your times to win in back rooms because I know you always lose here in this man.
I see a person that I wanna kill
Oh, that
already.
killed me.
Where's that person, my bro? It's just walking. Ah, they both on me.
Jamila, fine. You can die once. It's fine.
Yeah, I know. They were both on me. I'm just gonna use this baby thing. Bro, like, let me just use a medkit on me. Oh, I'm not that dead. So. Bro!
I died.
Bro, we lost. I killed Jaden, my bro.
Okay, look.
I'm trying, okay, I'm trying. Don't mind. Let me just bring out my best weapons that I always used to use. Yup, I got out my weapons that I always used. Oh, so they wanna play like that with my teammate, huh? They wanna play like that.
Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
No!
We're gonna
Bro,
lose.
what the
I
heck?
think we're gonna lose.
Okay, don't worry. I got the weapon, my bro. I got this, don't worry.
But I
And
think
a match, my bro. Don't worry, I got the weapon. I got what they have.
shoot,
Woo! Die!
shoot him, shoot again. No,
Woo!
he died.
I tried.
Right now they play.
I was
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Okay, I see you. Woo! 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 Woo!
They keep killing me. Shoot, bah. Shoot.
Sus.
They have fight. You see what I mean? They always pick guns that you can just kill so quick, ne?
Yeah, like why?
So rematch.
Where you? I left. I
Oh.
didn't leave out of bro. I don't mean.
Come.
I'm coming. Woo! Woo! Where you, bro? Oh, yo.
Brother, what the hell?
Hey.
Ayo, go there, boy. Ayo, chill. I'm sorry. Hey,
No. Okay, I'm not picking that. I'm picking this one a bit.
cross out, yeah.
A little. Remember? Nee.
Yeah. So, what are you gonna pick? I know what I'm picking.
I'm picking Rust Rifle.
Choo.
And I'm gonna pick energy pipes, whatever that thing called. And I'm gonna pick a chainsaw and a medkit.
Go.
Let's go. Where are they?
Tell me there.
Woo! They both up here, bro.
I know.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's you.
I see.
Somebody's giving me something.
I killed one.
Okay. We just have one more, bro. We have one more.
Yeah, I think we're good.
I didn't use a medkit on me.
Where is he?
So, come on. You got this. Okay, you fell. You fell, bro. Bro fell. Yeah. Actually, I mean it. No. They're shooting.
Frick.
No.
You pick your night launcher.
I'm picking this one again. Okay. I'm gonna pick the UZI and katana and medkit. Of course, I'll choose a medkit. It's better, you know. Then we can stop each other. Okay, there's one.
I'm shooting one.
Same. Let me use my Uzi, man.
I shot a fool in the highway. He tried to leave.
Woo!
Did you kill one?
Nah, here's one by me, my bro. Jordan, my bro. Sister, how did you kill me? Yo, he killed me.
Frick, there is sniper. Pick your night launcher.
Switch weapons, my bro. You sniper take now.
Me too. They're in my
Come in.
highway. I think that I see one.
Where? Wait, I think I saw one walk past now.
Frick, they sniped me.
Dang!
They
Coming.
go down there and start. They go up that ladder, then they there.
Come in. Come, my brother. Come. Yes. Woo! No, I'm gonna die. I need to go down. No, we lost.
Jamila, pick next round. Pick a nice map.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna go with? Minigun.
I'm picking smoke grenade. So they can't see, then we can shoot them.
And then I'm next with my bro. Nah, my bro.
They sniped me. They there in the smoke there.
Okay. In smoke.
There next to us.
No!
They
Yes, we must keep that weapon.
I know what weapons I'm going to.
It's a bit dangerous, you see. A bow, my bro.
One's dead.
Bow. Wait, let me go up here, man. This ladder.
Yes, I killed
How did
we killed him.
I wasn't even aiming for one of them, my bro.
I killed him then. I was
What the? Like, how did you kill him so quick? Bro, I was
Right,
aiming for one.
Are they by you?
One just shot me. So it's time to use my thing. Just shit, my bro. One of them did kill me. Let's name a leak. You see? Okay, I see you killing them. Come on, Tushan. Come on. You got this. Ooh,
They were both.
no.
They were both at 50. They won.
Yeah,
Rematch. On
a
top of
rematch. Remember which one are we gonna pick?
come, let's go. 2v2s.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. Yes, yeah.
Must I tell you something?
Yeah.
You know my mother want to get me the starter pack in this game.
Okay.
Okay,
Which world?
pick docks.
Docs.
Frick.
Nah. My bro.
Go. You can pick any weapon.
Flash. Uzi, katana, and a medkit.
I'm going. Yeah, I'm gonna say medkit. I'm going chainsaw.
Nah, bro.
I have a minigun out now.
Bro, there's a person. There's both of them on me.
Where are you?
Okay. I killed one. Let me use a medkit on me, my bro. Ah, there's somebody killing me. Nah, Jaden killed me, my bro.
Where is he?
He's like there at the top when he jumped there by the trampoline.
Oh, frick out.
Oh, you by the trampoline. There's he. You see? There. Yeah. I think that's my leak. Come on, man. Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Fall down. The goat.
I did not kill Jaden. I did kill Jaden.
Fly for me quick. I'm busy.
Bro, I'm gonna die easily, and you know that. If I can't play with nobody. Like. Let me go. Yeah.